If you've got a small driveway, deck, or walkway you're done shoveling by hand, this video is for you, covering the 7 best electric snow shovels in 2026, from the cheapest cordless entry to the most premium pick available. Links are in the description. Stick around. The number 1 pick folds in half so it tucks under a bench. Starting at number 7, the Litheli 20-volt cordless snow shovel, the best entry-level cordless pick for first-time buyers. You want cordless freedom without overcommitting before you know it works for your driveway? The Litheli solves that. First, a 12-inch clearing width with 20-foot throw, enough for decks, steps, and short walkways in one pass. Next, 8.8 pounds total weight, one of the lightest electric shovels you'll find, easy on the arms. Finally, battery and charger included, nothing extra to buy day one. Cons: the brushed motor isn't as efficient as brushless. Runtime drops in deep cold, and the 12-inch path means extra passes on wider driveways. Best for first-time cordless buyers and renters with small porches. Not for long driveways or heavy storms. At $104.99, the Litheli is the cleanest way into cordless. New to electric? Start here. Number 6, the SNOWJOE 324E, the best corded electric snow shovel for buyers who never want to think about batteries. Lithium packs die fast in deep cold. Halfway through, the battery quits and you're back to hand shoveling. Corded skips that. First, a 10-ampere motor moving 300 pounds of snow per minute through an 11-inch path, 20-foot throw. Plug in and go. Next, a built-in 2-watt LED headlight, clear before sunrise without portable lights. Finally, 14 pounds with a back-saving handle and push-button start. No primer bulb, no pull cord, no gas can. Cons: you need an outdoor rated extension cord. Reach ends where the cord ends and detached sheds are out. Best for garage adjacent driveways and deck owners who want infinite runtime. Not for detached lots or cord haters. At $119.99, the 324E removes battery anxiety entirely. Want it to just work? Plug in and clear. Number 5, the SONTHIOW 13.5-inch brushless cordless snow shovel, the best brushless pick in the budget tier. Brushed motors lose power as the brushes wear and fade faster in deep cold. Moving up a tier should mean brushless. The SONTHIOW delivers exactly that. First, a brushless 40-volt system powered by 2 20-volt batteries, longer motor life, stronger cold weather performance, smoother torque. Next, 13.5-inch clearing width with a 30-foot throw, widest cut and longest distance you'll see at this tier. Finally, 12 pounds with a plus or minus 30-degree adjustable snow guide and 1-button operation, light enough for back-to-back driveway passes. Cons: no LED light, runtime drops below 30 minutes in heavy cold, and the smaller brand offers no battery ecosystem to grow into. Best for brushless first buyers stepping up from budget. Not for anyone planted in the Greenworks or Ego platforms. At $139.99, the SONTHIOW punches well above its tier. Want brushless power before going premium? Take it. Number 4, the VOLTASK 48-volt 16-inch cordless snow shovel with wheels. The best pick for anyone tired of carrying a handheld across a full driveway. Handheld shovels work great on a deck, but halfway across a driveway your arms quit. The VOLTASK rolls instead. First, built-in snow wheels with adjustable handle. Push it like a tiny snowblower. Shoulders thank you by the 3rd pass. Next, a brushless 48-volt motor with 2 24-volt batteries. The most powerful electric power train outside the premium picks. Finally, a 16-inch clearing width with LED headlights, the widest cut in this video, plus pre-dawn visibility. Cons: the wheels add storage bulk, the dual battery system runs about 30 minutes total, and it's heavier than smaller handhelds. Best for longer driveways and arm fatigue avoiders. Not for deck-only or step-only users. At $169.90, the VOLTASK gives you blower ergonomics in a handheld form. Driveway too long for handheld? This is it. Number 3, the SNOWJOE 24-volt SS13, the best wide-path cordless shovel for standard suburban driveway and walkway setups. A 10-inch path means double the passes on a normal driveway. The SS13's wider cut ends that. First, a 13-inch clearing width with 6-inch depth and a 20-foot throw, covers a sidewalk square in 3 passes instead of 5. Next, a 400-watt motor moving 300 pounds of snow per minute, enough torque for packed slush, not just dry fluff. enough. Finally, 24-volt 4-ampere-hour battery and quick charger included. Fully recharges between storm events without overnight waits. Cons: the brushed motor isn't as efficient as brushless options above. 17.2 pounds is heavier than the narrower picks, and one battery means runtime drops in extreme cold. Best for standard suburban driveways and known brand buyers. Not for 8-inch deep storms or commercial scale clearing. At $182.99, the SS13 is the most trusted wide cordless name on the market. Need the everyday workhorse? This is it. Quick reminder, if this is helping, hit like and subscribe. Links are in the description. Now the top 2 picks. Number 2, the SKIL PowerCore 40, the best electric snow shovel for buyers who want one power head that works across seasons. Buying a heavy-duty shovel you only touch 4 months a year stings. SKIL's multi-head system fixes that. First, an attachment-ready 40-volt power head. The motor runs trimmers, blowers, and edgers from the PowerCore 40 lineup. One battery, one charger, 4-season utility. Next, a brushless motor with 2-speed selector. Pick maximum throw for heavy snow. Switch to runtime mode for long sessions. Finally, IPX4 water resistance built into the housing, rated for wet, sloppy, sleet-mixed clearing rather than just light fluff. Cons: multi-head benefits require buying separate attachments. The 12-inch path is narrower than the wheeled pick above, and runtime drops in heavy cold. Best for tool platform buyers building a year-round outdoor kit. Not for anyone who only needs snow clearing. At $309, the SKIL turns a one-season tool into a year-round one. Want one platform? This is it. Now, the number 1 pick. This is the only electric shovel here that folds in half for storage. Here it is. The number 1 best electric snow shovel in 2026 is the EGO Power Plus SNS 1200, the most advanced shovel made. You've upgraded the kitchen, garage, even the lawnmower. The snow shovel is still a rough and ready hand tool. The SNS 1200 fixes that. First, a 56-volt brushless motor throws snow up to 25 feet, the longest throw on this list, beating every cordless pick above. Second, a 60-degree directional control dial, a true rotary dial in the chute, not a stiff plate. Aim snow on the fly. Third, a hinge shaft folds the shovel in half for storage. No other shovel here does this. Tucks under a bench. Fourth, a 2-speed selector trades throw power for runtime. Cons: the battery and charger are sold separately, and it only makes sense if you already own EGO 56-volt tools. Best for EGO platform owners and premium tool buyers. Not for first-time cordless buyers. At $279, the SNS 120 is the most refined electric shovel built today. Want the absolute best? This is it. And that's the 7 best electric snow shovels in 2026. From the simplest cordless entry to the most refined premium pick. Drop a comment. Which one are you grabbing before the first storm hits? Links are in the description. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.